In our fulfillment software, you have the ability to add a hub for your customer to log into and view their inventory and their orders. At the moment, I'm logged into the fulfillment center. So first of all, I need to log out and then log in as a hub user. In your customers portal, they will have a dashboard very similar to yours, but from your side of things, you're able to customize so you can hide or show different order statuses for your customers to be able to view. Just like yours, they have an orders view that they can also see orders in the system, and they can also filter by them. In the inventory, very similar to yours, they have a list of all of their inventory, but it's only restricted to them. They can create their own inventory, and they can also manage their inventory. As you can see here, we've got all of the information that's available in yours as well as theirs. And you can see that they can also manage their supply relationships here. Under the dispatch, they only see the shipment history, so they can see the tracking numbers against the orders, so they can track them for their customers. In the purchasing, they have the similar purchase orders just like you have, so then they can create their own purchase orders so you can see what stock you are expecting to receive into your warehouse. They can store and manage their contacts, and they also have the ability to look at reports from their hubs.